इसराइल पर ईरानी हमला रोकने में बरतानिया ने भी अहम किरदार अदा किया। बरतानिया गजा में 33,000 फलस्तीनियों की शहादत पर तो खामोश रहा, लेकिन ईरानी ड्रोन्स और मिसाइलों से इसराइल को बचाने के लिए खूब फुर्ती दिखाई। इस पर स्काई न्यूज के साफी ने बरतानवी वज़ीर ख़ारजा से सवाल किया कि अगर कोई दुश्मन मुल्क बरतानिया के किसी कौंसल खाने को तबाह कर दे तो बरतानिया क्या करेगा। डेविड कैमरन ने जवाब दिया, हम सख्त जवाब देंगे।
If a hostile nation flattened one of our consulates?
Well, we would take the very strong action.
And Iran would say that that's what they did?
Well, what they did, as I said, was a massive attack.
So they were right to respond, but they overreacted, is that what you're saying?
What I'm saying is that the attack they carried out was on a very large scale, much bigger than people accepted.
They have a right to respond?
Well, countries have a right to respond when they feel they've suffered an aggression. Of course they do. But look at the scale of that response. Had those weapons not been shot down,
but they just overreacted.
there could have been thousands of casualties.